Hello friends. Myself Professor Shubhangi Ingre from TSSM Bhurabai Savan College of Engineering and Research, Narepuni, Department of Computer Engineering, Laboratory Practice 1. Now in today's sessions I am going to explain the assignment number 4, that is implement the sentiment analysis of the Twitter data. Now I read the problem statement, that is the Twitter data analysis. Use the Twitter data for the sentiment analysis. The data set is a 3 MB in size and has 31,962 tweets. Identify the tweets which are hate tweets and which are not. Sample test data is available here in this website. Now moving to the next part is the learning objective and outcomes. Now start with the learning objective. First, to learn the sentiment analysis of the Twitter datasets. Second, to learn how to classify the tweet as positive and negative tweets from the datasets. Outcome, student will able to understand the sentiment analysis. Second one, student will able to understand the categorizations of the tweet as a positive and negative tweets. Now moving to the theory concepts, that is the sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is the contextual minings of the text which identifies and extract the subjective informations in the source material and helping a business to understand the social sentiment of their brand, product or service while monitoring the online conversation. However, analysis of the social media stream is usually restricted to just basic sentiment analysis and count-based metrics. Sentiment analysis is most common text and classification tools that analyze an incoming message and tell whether the underlining the sentiment is a positive, negative or neutral. To the practical executions of the Twitter analysis. Data, read dot .csv file, Twitter dot sentiment dot self dot drive dot dfe dot csv file. Tweets data, comma and column of data. columns of data. Then tweet. Now we are taking the for loop for I in tweets open bracket x the sentiment of I then it print the x Control S. To run this program we required some packages and library of the Centimeter, so I am installing that packages. Here our execution of the code is going on and our text part is finished, and we are installing the Centimeter library packages. It takes a little bit of time to install that packages. After importing the Twitter CSV file, we get the output. In that output, we are having the head tweets. That head tweet indicate the first 6 entries of the row of that data frames, and tail tweets, that is the last entry of the data frames. After that, we get the element ID, sentence ID, word count, and sentiment. So based on this one, it will be that gives the output of the assignment number 3rd. Thank you for